Hi, Charlie Hunt here. I'm a Carnival Cruise Line Triumph, and today we'll be reviewing the breakfast burrito from Blue Jaguar. It's part of the all-inclusive package. That guy made it, and we are somewhere between New Orleans and the Yucatan Peninsula. So this is a breakfast burrito. I got it with a side of watermelon salsa. Not really sure what I'm going to use that with. So we got a little bit of chicken sausage. We got Mexican scrambled eggs. We have,
Can I have our drink first?
What's up?
Our drink. What do you want to drink?
I'll do a Diet Coke. I got it. Pico, cheese, and lettuce. So we're going to take the first bite. I did Mexican scrambled eggs. There's a little bit more onion in that than I would have liked, audience. But it's good. It's freshly made, even though the eggs were sitting out a little long. This is our first breakfast burrito for this program, but good. Warm. Price, I'm going to give it 10 because I didn't pay anything for it. It was part of an all-inclusive package. And if I don't like it, I can throw it away and get another one. Texture, I'll give 7. Eggs were sitting out a little bit. But everything else was vibing good. Taste, I'll give it 8. And overall, I'll give it a, we'll do an 8. 8 for the Carnival Cruise Line Triumph Breakfast Burrito. Thank you for watching. More traditional burrito reviews coming soon, possibly one from Mexico. Thank you.